Morning, what's going on? You're heading into work a little early. I may or may not have lured James Smith into coming to the gym for a workout. So, and by may or may not have, I think I did, and I used Lucy to do so. I sent him a message when he landed, not expecting him to see it, because I've sent him messages in the past just like about his book and stuff like that, and they just don't see it because their accounts were so big. I sent him a message saying that we had a gym down in Edmonton if he needed a place to lift while he was here for the 2 days, and he actually responded. That's now James Smith and also Jordan Syed that I have lured into being homies with me from my dog. So, well done, Lucy. Well done. But yeah, pretty cool. I do say so myself.
Stabilisation's not the best in a Sony ZV-10, but that microphone's actually pretty decent for a camera at that level. Entry level.
This guy knows what's up, Luce.
$700 US. Some people, they just gotta know. Sony A7 III.
Look at that.
Where are your fake plates up? So I was thinking we get some content lifting weights. We got some fake plates we can, really show off to people. Like, oh my god, this guy's benching 140.
We got a couple tens for you. We can stack, make them look bigger.
Amazing. Right, thanks again.
Welcome to Free Fitness, brother.
Cheers,
Thanks for coming in.
It's the dog that won us over.
I know. It's not my first time.
She's beautiful.
Get her in there, Luce.
If she goes missing, I'm stolen.
Well, pretty cool morning. Got him to sign my book. Got James Smith over there. Chris Williamson, getting swole. Trying so hard not to fangirl and be a douchebag.
One person starts training arms on a Friday and everyone else has to get it on.
25s.
That's correct.
25s, I remember the house. Nice screen up, bro.
Where's my kids' hotel? My kids' hotel is fucking lovely. I'll explain for the non-British people here. That's the voice of a racist. Not is a racist. Like the tone. Yes. Yeah. The accent, the tone. Say they need to go home.
They need to go home.
Say that's very racist.
Way different.
Very racist. Yeah. Okay. Brexit means Brexit.
Brexit means Brexit.
See.
Build the wall.
We don't want them here.
We don't want them.
Wow, yeah, he's racist.
Very racist. Case closed.
Shit.
Joaquin has put the thumb down. Racist.
Let's do some bicep curls.
Hey.
What was that?
Well, that was pretty cool. I fangirled pretty hard when I first got there, unfortunately. When I got in, they had their camera dude there, and they asked me some questions. I was like, you know, the cool thing, and I've definitely had the same experience and thought process after going to Dallas and Phoenix this last year, is when you meet, you know, the people who you only see online, you have this perception that they're not real people and they're, you know, they just have better things than you do, and they're just people. Like they're literally just people. Once you kind of got to know them a little bit, both James and Chris are really cool dudes. Shout out to both of them. Again, thanks for coming in and getting a pump in at Free Fitness. And yeah, James is a bit of a little shit. It's kind of funny, but yeah, pretty cool experience, and looking forward to seeing the show tonight. So yeah, happy 3 years no booze anniversary to me. It's just before 5. I'm gonna head to the event here. I didn't do anything this afternoon except for like edit the video and everything. I figured I should show off the fit since it's been like 40 some days of vlogging and you've seen me in nothing but gym clothes. So go with the nice black tee. Yeah, ripped white jeans because apparently they're in style. Actually put a watch on. Got some crisp white shoes on right now. I wish I was someone that could wear light colored clothing and not sweat my balls off, aka have massive pitters. But that's the beauty of wearing a black shirt, is I'll still have massive pitters, but you'll barely see them. So I'm not gonna bring my camera. I don't know if I can actually bring it in or not. So I'm probably gonna get pizza after this though, so I might show you that when I get home here. Hair's looking fresh. Tomorrow for sure, I'm gonna get a steak and treat myself for my 3 years booze anniversary. Every time, I gotta do it. I just got back from the event. It's about 10 o'clock now. Just wanted to have one bite of pizza. I'm gonna take Luce out. Ooh, that's a big bite. The event was awesome. Lots of good little takeaways, so definitely some things I want to kind of let it sit, marinate, talk about. But the actual tour was called the C Word, which obviously most would presume the C word, but it was about confidence. Obviously his book, titled How to Be Confident, was a big sort of basis of it. But really good, entertaining, he's hilarious. So yeah, just a good day overall. We got our blood drive clinic tomorrow, so I'm gonna do a double vlog here. So I'll see you in the morning when we're giving some blood. Bye. Good morning. How are we today? I did not sleep good. I ate way too much pizza last night when I got home. And just the excitement of the event and everything like that. I made the mistake of coming home at that time and looking at my social media, which had kind of blown up a little bit from posting the 3-year anniversary post. So thank you to everyone who reached out. I gotta spend some time today getting back to everybody. But yeah, I was just up late. We have our blood drive this morning, so I'm only having 1 coffee. I've already slammed like 3 glasses of water because I ate the majority of that pizza last night. So this could be a brave decision going into donating blood. I don't suspect that I will be the fastest of donors today, but that's okay. Still doing a good deed. But yeah, it's good to just get out and do some things. And actually that was a huge basis of the talk, was the only thing that's doing the thing is doing the thing. Reading the book isn't doing the thing. Doing isn't doing the thing. The only thing that's doing the thing is doing the thing. Simple, but impactful. James Smith is hilarious. So inappropriate in so many hilarious ways that I love, that I can't do on this channel. I'm just gonna chill out for a little bit. I only have like half an hour to relax and then go donate blood, so I'm just gonna hang out with Luce. We'll pick up Haley for the blood drive. It's a good little Saturday, and then I just have a bunch of programs to make, and then I'm making a steak tonight. I'm gonna keep it lean tonight. We're gonna do just steak and vegetables, because yeah, I ate basically a whole pizza yesterday, so hee hee. Where are we going, Haley?
Donate blood.
Yeah.
Quickest way to lose a pound.
What are you doing here? You're lost. That little guy. Oh, hi, Vince. Hello. 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 Seen this here?
I'm not racing this year. I just want a nice casual flow.
Bullshit.
I'm not. I just want to be laid back. Much?
How are you? Don't worry, I won't get you in.
5:31.
Pardon me?
5:31.
What? 5:31.
Fourth bed down on this side, straight ahead.
How are you? Also, it wasn't my time last year that was super bad. It was January of last year that was super bad. I was 8 minutes last December. 17 the year prior.
We're going for a PR today.
I ate a whole pizza last night, so I'm curious to see how today goes. So. We own a gym.
Did you drink
It's okay.
water?
I did.
Okay.
but like not that much. I didn't want to be up peeing all night, so.
Did you drink water this morning?
Yeah.
Okay, that being said.
I peed twice since I've been here, so
Hey, did you drink some water?
not my first rodeo. Why are you so obsessed with the going in?
I don't know. I really just want to see it go in. This nurse is like, oh my god.
Bigger audience
dry,
than some
so
news
don't-
outlets, so.
It's nice.
How you doing?
Good, how you doing, buddy?
Can't watch it go in.
No.
Once it's in, I'm fine.
Nice. Man, you're a pro.
Quick and easy.
That's what she said.
It's like the sixth guy to say that. Okay. Is that too tight?
Nice to meet you.
Okay, good. How's everything feeling?
Good.
Good, okay.
Alright.
Any changes, please don't want to ignore it.
Alright, sub 8 minutes, here we go.
Looks like she's flowing.
Yeah,
Going good, yeah.
looking good.
What'd you get?
I don't want to tell you.
That's like 8 minutes. If you pump harder, does it do anything?
If you squeeze, hold, relax, and do that. Don't like go like that. It's not gonna do anything.
Now I know the technique.
Yes.
Alright, buddy. See you in a bit.
Yeah, you missed
Ryan.
all of them. And then
Heather.
you missed the campaign.
What's up, Dad?
Yo,
You good?
feel amazing.
No.
Get that blood. I'm getting harvested, you know?
Getting harvested.
Yeah. Harvested for blood.
Oh, that's fast.
Athlete blood. Look at that. Can't even see my bicep with that shirt.
I know. My bicep. Good work.
Nice. I beat you, didn't I?
Yeah, you did.
God, I'm so much healthier than you. By far, the best part of giving blood is the free snacks. Cookies by George. Pretzels. 602, baby. Good deed of the day done. I'm gonna go grab a steak and some asparagus for my dinner tonight, since I figured while I'm out and about, I might as well do that. That way, I get to spend the entire day hanging out with Lucita, which is the name I use for her when she's in trouble, but she's not actually in trouble at all, little angel. So yeah, I'm gonna grab that now and then take her for a good long stroll, because it is beautiful out once again here in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. And yeah, just get some programs done and get this video all edited and ready to rock. It is about 3 o'clock. Programs are done. I've done a bunch of editing. I've got the Christmas tree list. And I am going to do some homework. I'm going to watch a bunch of YouTube videos on how to cook the perfect steak in a carbon steel pan. So we're going to learn some things today. And my God, I am excited for the steak dinner. It's been way too long. It is time to eat some meat. Actually, it's time to cook some meat. As you can see, my meat is coming to room temperature. Very, very important. We have our asparagus. I have my butter pre-cut. I couldn't remember at the store if it was thyme or rosemary, so I didn't buy anything. So I have the Ratman thyme, which probably won't be the same. And then I've got my cheap garlic. So it's not gonna be as good as it could be. Hey, dog. So it's not gonna be professional level because I did buy everything before watching those videos. But yeah, I mean, it looks pretty straightforward. I didn't buy the nicest steak because I wanted to get some practice in with the pan before balling out and buying like a really nice ribeye. That is my preferred cut of steak. In fact, let me know in the comments. But if I could only have one meal, not for the rest of my life, if I was gonna die tomorrow and I knew I was gonna die, I would have a ribeye, lobster, asparagus, and some sort of mashed potato and or potato, I don't know, maybe like a baked potato, but like with all the fixins. What would you have if you were gonna die tomorrow and you had one meal left? What would you get? As mentioned, I'm keeping it pretty light tonight, just the steak and the asparagus. I do have some cottage cheese and Greek yogurt left over in the fridge, but I have officially decided that I'm getting Campio tomorrow to celebrate the 3-year boozeroversary. I know I had pizza yesterday, but that's like a weekly thing, so it's not the same. And that's the beauty of calorie budgeting. It's pretty straightforward. I had a protein shake today with some oatmeal before giving blood. I had all the snacks after I gave blood. And then dinner's just gonna be steak and asparagus. So it's a really great way to balance out your calorie budget for the week. So as mentioned, steak is super easy. All we're gonna use is salt, pepper. I've heard so many mixed things about pepper. You shouldn't use it because it burns. I don't know, Gordon Ramsay said to pepper it, so I'm gonna pepper it. But yeah, you're just gonna pat this dry, just like so. After that, we're gonna put on a hefty amount of salt. Don't be chintzy on that. A little bit of pepper, flip it over, do the same thing. Make sure it's all coated on the edges as well. And then we're going in the pan. And that pan should be pretty roasting hot by the time you get it in there. Also, my smoke alarm sucks. So I'm gonna bet there's an 85% chance today that my smoke alarm goes off. So this could get chaotic really quickly. So let's hope for the best, but who knows. Definitely have some technical refining to do. As mentioned, my smoke alarm sucks, so I kind of knew that was gonna happen. But for first time pan searing steak, let's give her a go here. It's perfectly cooked for the record, medium rare. Whew. And that's where that friggin' temperature, that thermometer thing is so nice to have. Okay, you gotta see this though. Like, just so you can actually see just how perfectly medium rare that is actually cooked. What do you think? I wish I could swear, because that's pretty effing good. I think I needed a little bit hotter at first and be a little bit more patient on the first flip, just so the crust, like the sear, was a little bit crustier. But that little technique with the butter, that's pretty damn good right now. I'm going to eat the whole stalk of asparagus, by the way. I'm gonna have this stinkiest pea tomorrow. I don't even care. I'm very happy with this. And that gives me something to work towards. That'll be something I can get caloed in the future to really dial in for me. But I forgot how much I love steak. I just love steak. I'm gonna eat, then I'll talk. I'm so satisfied right now. I forgot how much I love steak. And that like oily butter crust that came on that, it's like, oh my god, that was good. That's my classic like go-to if I'm like really trying to impress a woman. That's what I'll cook her. This is back when I had a barbecue, so this might be, maybe I'll have to start dating again, and this will be my new go-to date thing. Hey, Luce? God, that was good. I just crushed all that. It was so good. But yeah, that's gonna wrap it up for today. It's 6 o'clock, so I'd like an earlier finish tonight. Obviously it's Sunday tomorrow, so 4:45 start. Get that run in, get a crazy chaotic Sunday ahead of me. But honestly, not having breathwork tomorrow night makes the Sunday feel a lot more achievable and much less daunting. So as mentioned, I'm gonna celebrate with some Campio pizza finally too. So yeah, I'm looking forward to that. It's gonna be a good little Sunday. But as always, if you appreciated the vlog, please like, subscribe, comment, tell your friends. We hit 200 subscribers today, which is pretty cool. I'm not focusing on the number, just focusing on taking action and continuing to do the damn thing, in the words of Chris Williamson. So please show the vlog some love today. I'll probably be doing a double vlog tomorrow again, truthfully, just because Sundays aren't that eventful in terms of my actual life. But hopefully you appreciated the double vlog, a little more entertaining than usual. A couple special guests, as you saw. But yeah, hope you guys have a great rest of your Saturday night. I think it's vlog 42, 43, I don't know. Whatever vlog it is, I appreciate you for following along. Any way you look at it. So have a great rest of your Saturday night. Stay safe. Much love to everyone. Peace out.